If you've never heard of the Velcro Pygmies, then buckle up, because you're about to meet the loudest, rowdiest, most unapologetically 80s rock band still melting faces in 2025. They're not your average cover band. They're a full-blown glam rock time machine.
And I feel love from across the room. Yes, it's love in the third degree.
Leather pants, wild hair, and enough spandex to make Van Halen jealous. The Velcro Pygmies formed in the late 80s out of Louisville, Kentucky. Think Motley Crue meets party comedy, high-voltage energy, over-the-top theatrics, and non-stop crowd interaction. They've become cult legends across the South, known for their full-throttle covers of Poison, Bon Jovi, Def Leppard, and yes, even some hair metal originals. Frontman Cam Flenner isn't just a singer, he's a rock preacher with a mission: make America rock again. Did you know they once played over 300 shows in a single year? They've got a van named the War Pig that's hauled them across every back road in the South. They've opened for Warrant, Skid Row, and even Ted Nugent. And get this, they don't just play music, they're entertainers. They'll stop mid-set to roast the crowd, hand out fake mullets, and preach the gospel of Aquanet. So what's the net worth of the Velcro Pygmies? They're not living in Beverly Hills, but combined merch, gigs, and die-hard fan support have them pulling an estimated $500,000 to $1 million annually. Not bad for a band that lives on the road and thrives off raw passion. So next time you see a flyer for the Velcro Pygmies, don't laugh. Buy the ticket. Wear something loud. And bring earplugs. Because this band? They're the last rock circus still standing. Sign of the horns. Like our channel. Smash the like. Blow up the comments. Subscribe for more underground legends.